Sa video na ito, pag-usapan natin, ano nga ba ang pinakamadaling business na pwede mong pasukin na hindi magre-require ng napakalaking kapital? This is Coach Rice, guys. This is Business Mentors Inc. And itong channel na to, this is a passion project sa akin. Talagang malapit ang puso ko pagdating sa investments, pagdating sa business, at ang majority ng mga i-share ko sa inyo dito, talagang experience ko. Nag-invest na ako sa mga restaurants, nag-invest na ako sa isang bar and club business sa Dubai, nag-invest na ako sa isang multi-level marketing, nag-invest ako sa bakery, nag-invest ako sa salon, nag-invest ako sa stocks, marami yan. And right now, I am running a consulting firm. Now, pag sinabi ko na madali, hindi ibig sabihin nun, uupo ka lang tapos andyan na yung pera, andyan na yung income mo, andyan na yung sales, walang ganon. So, mag-exert ka talaga ng effort. Pero pag sinabi kong madaling, ibig ko sabihin, wala ka masyadong kapital. As a matter of fact, wala ka naman talagang ilalabas. Kailangan mo lang magtiyaga sa oras at sa effort, syempre. And as per my experience, ito yung katotohanan. Ang consulting business talaga ang isa sa pinakamadaling businesses na pwede mong pasukin. May advantages at disadvantages. Para kasi meron ako napanood na isang video ni Steve Jobs. Ito yung mga panahon na talagang poging-pogi pa si Steve Jobs at ang dami niya pang hair. Sabi niya, ang consulting firm, okay yan kung yan yung plano mo short term. Pero in order for the business to grow at mag-last ng years to come, kailangan meron kang sariling product. You have to manufacture a product, either a soft product or a hard product na hardware or software na ibebenta mo. Pero you have to have a product. Ang tendency, pag consulting business kasi, you don't necessarily have a product Pero a consulting firm or a consulting business is a business that you can start, and along the way, you create an actual product that you can sell on a continuous basis. So, right now, let me just give you a background on what I do. So, right now, dito ako sa Canada, I run a consulting business, and it's an educational consulting business. So, ang income ko sa business na to, it fluctuates. There are times na, or there are months na we would have a sale of 15,000 per month. There are months na merong 3,000 lang or 5,000 a month. So it truly fluctuates. Pero on a yearly basis, back in 2023, so we had a sale of about 50,000, between 50 and 55,000 dollars for the full year, which is not bad kasi yun yung first actual fiscal year namin. This year, we are looking to double that kasi that amount of 50,000, we have already reached that half of the year. So we are really we are on the path to double that. So ang aming consulting firm, very lean ang aming operations. Ilan lang kami sa company, and therefore isa yan sa mga reasons kung bakit yung income mas malaki yung profit margin kesa doon sa expense kasi ilan lang yung tao and on top of that, ang majority ng team ko is located sa Pilipinas, which then further lessens my cost. Another beautiful thing is remote siya, so maraming market, scalable yung business kasi ang market ko hindi dito sa Canada or hindi lamang dito sa Canada. Ang market ko, it could be the UAE, could be Middle East as a whole, could be Vietnam, could be the Philippines or Africa. Anyone and everyone watching my channel, which is Quest Canada, and anyone and everyone who wants to move to Canada as a student or even on a permanent basis, everybody is my market. So, merong paraan para makuha or makita nila ako through YouTube, and through my YouTube channel, makikita nila yung aking website. From the website, doon nila may capability na malaman kung ano ba talaga yung mga services na ino-offer namin, and from there, pwede silang mag-contact sa amin if they need and if they want help. So, yun yung beauty ng consulting. Ang profit margin sa isang consulting firm will be not less than 40%. Actually, I'll be very surprised kung merong consulting firm na magsasabi na less than 40% kasi ang consulting firm talaga is very lean when it comes to operations. Ang aming profit margin is about 60-61%, which is truly, truly high. Hindi mo kayang makuha yung 60% sa isang food and beverage business. Sobrang imposible. And I know this by experience. So then, you might ask, anong klaseng consulting business ang sisimulan ko? And the answer to that is depende sa'yo. Ano ba yung industriya na interesado ka? Kung ikaw ay isang engineer, syempre, ang interest mo is in the engineering department, in the industry of engineering. Ano yung mga pwede mong simulan? Ano yung pwede mong ituro for free sa mga tao on YouTube? Absolutely. Or even on TikTok. Available din ako sa TikTok. Or even Facebook Reels. Ano yung pwede mong ituro sa mga tao na gagawin mo kung kaya mo siyang gawin for free? And you are absolutely okay with that, na hindi ka nakakatanggap ng bayad. Ano yon? And make that first video.